Drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Match 14 gets underway here on the Daly division. Look at Maverick Robotics. They're currently your #1 ranked team here on Daly out of Lafayette, Indiana. And they have an autonomous program to prove it as they scoop up an extra game piece there in the autonomous period and very nearly a second one. They were just off by a tiny little bit on that cube. Cube now gets tossed all over the place. Look at those complex bumpers on that 4907 machine. That's the Thunder Stamps. They were the ones who pushed that cube up onto the red charge station, and then I got distracted by the non-rectangular-esque, non-parallelogram bumpers that we don't see very often there. Looks like that's protecting a swerve module in the front of that machine. Possibly only 3 swerve wheels on that bot. Pretty interesting stuff there. Lots of unique robot designs making their way here to the championship event this year. Over goes Maverick Robotics. They put up 177 points alongside Robotics and one other team that I'm not remembering off the top of my head earlier in match number 4. And they are rapidly piling up the points here for Red in match number 14, 62 so far. However, they are now trailing slightly behind Blue as Osram, ranked number 7 right now, who put up 174 in their last quals match, helping to push that Blue Alliance ahead alongside, of course, the valuable inputs there of Thunder Stamps and Strike Zone. Thunder Stamps make their way across with a cone in that robot alongside Osram, and they'll place the, let's see, the cube makes its way onto the bottom row, and now the cone, as it dangles haphazardly, finally falls and gets placed for 3 points of Alliance score there for Blue. Red Alliance now pulling ahead a good bit for a moment before Blue Alliance starts to settle the deal, and just back and forth this trade will go. Here's the Neutrons 125 out of Boston, or excuse me, out of Revere, Massachusetts. They drop off a cone, middle row, left node, 3 points, and here's Maverick dropping off the cone that completes the same link there. So it's a total of 8 points in that cycle there for that Red Alliance machine. Blue Alliance has very rapidly caught up here, and they're within 2 points. Still anybody's game with 17 seconds left to play. Up go 2 Blue Robots, and it looks like they're going to try for 3. We're going for the triple climb, triple balance over here on Blue. That's a 30-point endgame successful on Blue. Red Alliance has to do it to win the match. 4 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and we'll get 2 Red Robots docked and engaged for a total of 20 endgame score there on Ritz. To the Red Alliance's 157. And now that we're in our second round, we'll start to see these averages shake out as teams move all over the leaderboards. Still way too early to start talking anything statistical about them, so instead we'll just say that it's a 4-1 rank point split.